How to make a soldering iron dot from a pencil and USB cable easily. First, you sharpen the pencil. Make sure you always be careful when doing it, friends. Cut again to the inside of the pencil, then draw a line using a knife on the inside of the pencil. This is an example of what the pencil holder will look like later. If you have, take a split USB cable and connect it to the pencil with two currents, one black and one red cable so they don't touch. Roll it up on the pencil part and use adhesive tape to keep it neat and tidy. Also provide a plastic protector that does not conduct electricity so that everything runs smoothly.
Sharpen the tip of the pencil.
This is the ampere information. Use glasses and plugs. If we have tested it. If the tin melts, then we have succeeded in making it. But to be safer, we take a small copper pipe, cut it and use it as a pencil tip to make the current safer. Thank you friends for watching. Comment to give suggestions. See you in other DIY content again.